Wake up, dear. The sun is already up.
5 more minutes, Mother. Please?
You said that 10 minutes ago. Get up.
Okay, I'm awake now.
Go wash your face. Your tea is ready.
Is it ginger tea? My throat feels a bit dry.
Yes, and I've added some honey too.
You're the best, Mother. Thank you.
Did you finish packing your bag last night?
I did. Everything is ready for college.
Don't forget your umbrella. It might rain.
Mother, the sky is so blue. I don't need it.
Better safe than sorry. Keep it in the side pocket.
Fine. Just for you, I'm taking it.
What do you want for breakfast? Paratha?
Yes, with that spicy potato curry you make.
Sit down and start your revision. I'm coming.
All right, I'll focus on physics for an hour.
Don't stress too much. You'll do great.
I know, because you're behind me.
Is the tea too sweet? I might have added extra sugar.
No, it's perfect. Exactly how I like it.
I remember when you were little, you hated tea.
Really? I thought I always loved it.
No, you only wanted milk and cookies back then.
Time flies so fast, doesn't it, Mother?
It does. Now you're almost a modern.
But I'll always be your little boy, right?
Did you find your blue shirt? I washed it yesterday.
Found it. It was right where you said it would be.
You can never find anything without me.
That's why I need you forever, Mother.
Breakfast is ready. Come, eat while it's hot.
The aroma is incredible. I'm starving now.
Take your lunchbox. I packed your favorite.
Aloo bhaji, you're the best.
Check your pen. Does it have enough ink?
Yes, I checked it twice. Don't worry.
Go now or you'll miss the bus.
Give me a hug first. Okay, I'm off.
Did you take your vitamins after breakfast?
Oh, I almost forgot. Thanks for reminding me.
Your health is more important than your grades.
I know, Mother. I'm taking care of myself.
Check your pocket. Do you have enough change?
Yes, I have some coins and a few notes.
Here, take this extra 50 taka, just in case.
Mother, I don't need it. I already have enough.
Keep it. A mother's heart is never satisfied.
Fine, you always win this argument.
Is your phone charged? You might need it.
It's 100%. Charged it right before sleeping.
Call me once you reach college.
I will, as soon as the first class ends.
Wait, your collar is folded. Let me fix it.
What would I do without you, Mother?
You'd be a mess, that's what.
Exactly. I'm glad I don't have to find out.
Go now. Madri, God bless you today.
Pray for me, Mother. See you in the afternoon.
Did you put the keys in your bag?
Yes, Mother. They're in the small zipper.
Good. And remember, don't eat too much junk food.
I'll try, but the canteen samosas are tempting.
I've packed an apple for you. Eat that instead.
You really think of everything, don't you, Mother?
I have to. If I don't, who will?
You're right. No one can replace you.
The rickshaw must be waiting at the corner.
I'm leaving now. Don't work too hard today.
I'll just rest after I finish the laundry.
Promise me you'll take a nap in the afternoon.
I promise. Now go or you'll be late.
Okay, Mother. Ta-ta. See you soon.
Drive safe. Call me when you reach.
I will. Love you, Mother.